Just gonna try and get through this interview without crying. You know, it's sad. It's like losing your best friend.
I don't know how else to say this, guys, but this is literally gonna be my last video on Braille. This is probably gonna be a shock to a lot of people. It's kind of one of those things that, how do you even tell people about this? But it is real.
Oh my gosh! That was incredible. That was amazing. Oh! I've never done that in my entire life. What just happened? What just happened? You made it! You made it! Oh! Lance's first kickflip. Yes! I did it! Oh, yes! 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 Yes!
Tray flipped. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. I never ever thought this day was gonna come. Yes! Oh, dude, that was amazing. There was no toe drag and no heel drag from that. Yes! Woo! Yes! Woo! Thank the Lord! Oh my God! Yes! Yes! I figured it out! The first trick in my video part.
Video part! Oh! You're such a badass, Lance!
Where did you have that?
What? Wait, let him speak, everybody.
I've been working at Braille for a long time. I remember Aaron and I going to skate park, and he asked me to help him film. So we didn't even really know each other that well, but I worked with him. We filmed some tutorial videos, and then I was editing some little skate clips together, and then we just kept working together, and it kept getting bigger and more popular, and you know, it just grew into what it is today. And it's been an incredibly fun ride. You know, we have so much fun filming, and I love interacting with you guys, the audience, and everyone else that we work with. It's just, I'm basically gonna be pursuing a different line of work, and I'm gonna be moving away from this area. We have the Braille house established, so I won't be able to make videos anymore. And instead of just coming from time to time, I just decided that it's best that I'm gonna just be moving permanently, and I'm not gonna be really doing social media or anything like that. So that's pretty much it. It's a crazy decision, obviously, and you know, it is sort of sudden, but I don't really know how else to say it, you know? That's what's happening.
What is your favorite Lance memory?
What, I got $100? Is that messed up? Because he's leaving? Or just anytime he dances, I crack up.
I think it was a time when we went to Woodworth. We're just having a good time, all of us, and I think that's like the best memory so far is just you, Aaron, Lance, and I just being together and just sharing a good BBT moment, which means Braille bonding time. Because every time I was spending time with you guys, Lance was there, and I always had a good time with you guys, and I'm gonna miss Lance.
All the times we spent outside of Whole Foods for like 5 hours after filming 10 hours at Fremont and just talking about everything, and it was like, I don't know, that's when I got to know Lance the best.
Lance was very good to me. He was the only guy I could make awkward and funny jokes with.
Is when he just started dancing, you know, just not really care nonchalantly, and just knowing that he's really not that far personality off camera, how he is on camera. It's really cool.
I've never seen Lance really take anything fully seriously. It was just always fun, you know, being around him and stuff. It's like, what's he gonna do next? What's he gonna say next? Whenever we got a new board, it was like the puns would just roll.
I was 15 when I first came around, and Lance has kind of helped me grow as a person, like a really big inspirational piece that helped kind of shape who I've grown up to be. It didn't really hit me until like someone asked me how I felt about it, and then I got like a little emotional because it's like losing like a brother, so it's strange.
I don't have like a favorite Lance memory. I think like all the favorite Lance memories are my favorite because I brought Lance into Braille to help me film and help me do the editing because it was getting like overwhelming for me to run everything and film and edit every single video and make a video every single day. And I think the thing that he brought to the table that was so good was his like beginner viewpoint, because he's not a skater, and at the very beginning it was all about, almost every video was about just purely tutorial, teaching kids how to skateboard. And what he brought that was really good is his beginner viewpoint. He was like, oh, you need to do a video called how to ride off a curb, and we need to teach kids how to do that because they don't know how to do that as a beginner. And I would have never made that video. You know, I've been skateboarding for over 20 years. It's like, you just stand on the board and ride off the curb. He was behind the camera saying, hey, you need to explain this, you need to explain like, when a new person steps on a board, it'll be like this. A lot of the video series ideas that you guys like the most, Lance and I came up with together. I'm just gonna try and get through this interview without crying because it's like, you know, it's sad. It's like losing your best friend. It's like your best friend that you grew up with and you did all the videos with, and then he's like moving on to a different stage of his life. We're gonna wish him the best of luck in that, and I hope that he goes and does everything that he ever wanted to in his life. We're supporting of him, but it is very, very sad for us, and we're definitely taking a loss on that. And we're gonna try and keep the hashtag SKATEGOD legacy alive.
Now that this is coming to a close for me, I do want to talk about Braille and all my experiences. It's been so much fun. Some of the memories that stick out is like when Aaron and Gabe and Mario and we went to Woodward West. We just had such a good time, you know, skating with the kids there and also just making videos. So like that was really cool. And then I've met tons of people in the line of doing this work. The Skate Everything series, which was awesome. It blew up like crazy. Every episode was tons of fun to film, like the iPad, the snowboard. Then we had the You Make It, We Skate It, which was amazing. The first couple episodes, we filmed with Chris Chan. Of course, we had all the videos of me learning to skate. Those were kind of like an unexpected success. And then becoming the skate god. I'll still hopefully be remembered as the skate god for all time. We'll see. For those of you guys who might think that this is a joke, I don't really know how else to say it, but it's not a joke. I wouldn't make a video like this unless it was serious. You know, it's hard to make this video. Part of me just wanted to just stop being in the videos and then just sort of disappear. But I figured that that would leave a lot of people wondering like what happened. So that's why we're making this video. It is the truth. And you will start seeing probably after this video that I won't really be in the videos anymore. This could very well be the last video, and it's not a joke, it's for real. All of you guys that have watched me along the years and watched the videos, and you know, I just want to thank you so much. It's been amazing to be working with you guys, I guess if that's what you want to say. Like, it's just been super, super cool. When we have these like events at the Braille House where people come and they come up and meet me in person, you know, it's so cool to meet all of you guys like in person. But also to you guys who leave comments and just say like, you know, Lance is so inspiring. I love his skating. It's like fun to watch him skate. Like, thank you so much. That's the coolest thing in the world. I don't think there's any sport like skateboarding where someone who's a beginner like this would get so much support. You know, I was thinking about it, like, you wouldn't have like a really crappy basketball player who can't even do a layup being like the hashtag basketball god, you know? So that's one thing that's awesome about skateboarding, and just like how supportive you guys have been has been amazing. And I hope that, you know, my skateboarding videos do keep inspiring people to skate. I know that like if I could do it, you guys can definitely do it. If you just push through that, you can improve and get better and pretty much do whatever you want to do. Don't give up, and I hope that the videos that we've made still help you. And I'm sure that Aaron is going to continue to make lots more videos that are going to be teaching you guys how to skateboard, and maybe they'll find a new hashtag SkateGod. But please, like, don't forget me either, you know? Don't give anyone else the SkateGod tag. Keep that for me, okay?
He was more than just the skate guy to me. He was like a really good friend. So thank you so much for everything you did for me, Lance. You're you're a great friend, man, and I'll miss you from the bottom of my heart. Like, I really feel sad right now. Like, sad. Whatever you do now, Lance, I just want you to know that I wish you the best, and I hope you succeed at whatever you do. I don't know, even if you become a scooter, I wish you the best, man.
You really changed the entire direction of my life. If I never joined Braille, then I would never be doing what I'm doing, and I would never meet any of the guys like Aaron and Gabe. So without you, like, I don't know what I would be doing. No, but Lance, like, I'm gonna miss you so much you don't even know. It hasn't even hit me yet because I just learned today. But I'm gonna really miss you. Seriously, this is sad. I don't like this.
Well, good luck to you, Lance, and we're gonna miss you over here, man. You guys brought me out here, and I'm gonna try to maintain the Braille Army with Gabe and Aaron and everybody out here, man. We're gonna miss you. So good luck out there, man.
Dude, you're awesome. Whatever choices you've made and path decisions you've made, you know, I know it's gonna be progressive. You're never gonna stop progressing whatever you do, you know, so everything you've decided to do, I wish you all the best on your way. We'll be here doing the Braille thing, and I guess you're always invited to come back. No, but I'll see you again, man. Peace.
Lance, I know you're watching this right now. I just wish you the best, man. I hope everything works out for you, and I hope everything in the future ends up exactly how you want it to be. You've been a part of this channel's success forever. A lot of this stuff happened because of you, and there's gonna be a big hole in everyone's collective heart here at Braille, especially mine. Yeah, this is hard. This is not fun for me right now. If you can tell, I'm having a hard time. I'm just gonna end it here. Lance, we love you. I love you. It's gonna be really weird not having you here every weekend. And good luck to you, my friend. And hopefully we will see the skate god again in the future.
We love you, Lance. We really do. Every person here at Braille loves Lance. They look up to Lance and everything that he's done behind the camera, in front of the camera, all his jokes, all of his puns. It's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be hard. And like I said, there's no way to ever replace you, Lance. But I did really want to address you guys so you guys know, and it's not, usually when there's like a change like this, we just continue making videos and people are like in the comments, where's Lance? So I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of comments, where's Lance, etc. He's moving. He got a good job opportunity and he's going to be working with his brother, and he's going to be doing that. So wish him the best of luck, and I hope that he creates a life that he always wanted. And we love you, and we wish that you would stay here and make videos with us forever.
Yeah, it's funny because like everyone isn't necessarily in support of this decision, but they are supportive of me, and they're not like hating me. But it's not like they're like, yeah, get out of here, Lance, or we want you to leave. You know, they would want me to stick around, but I've ultimately decided that this will be the most like workable way to do this from now on. Just so you guys know, like I didn't want to leave, you know, Aaron and Gabe and the rest of the guys in the lurch. So I did write a huge list of ideas that they can work with, just to show you some of the ideas that I'm rattling off. Oh, this one's really good. Ooh, I wish I was gonna be here for that one. So anyway, you know, don't worry. Just kidding. Aaron is a mastermind. He's come up with tons of ideas that have done extremely well. Gabe has done amazing things with Braille Army, so he's gonna come up with amazing stuff. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, thank you for watching all the videos with me in them on Braille. And thank you for watching Braille in general. If you guys are upset, I'm really sorry, but continue watching Braille. There's gonna be so much amazing stuff to come. It's only gonna get better. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned to see what's next. Like the video, leave a comment, and goodbye. That's weird. It's not, I'll see you next time. It's goodbye.
Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.